Investors, I got you. Most people don't know, in a lot of instances, it's actually easier to qualify for a mortgage when you're buying a rental property. We're gonna give you a percentage of that rental income on the subject property that you're buying. A lot of programs, it'll be 75% of whatever a 12-month lease would look like. And that's literally additional income on your application to help you qualify. We also have a new program called DSCR, Debt Service Coverage Ratio. And what that is taking that future income on the property and helping you qualify for the mortgage. It is limited documentation, limited on your tax returns, because we're really basing the underwrite and our risk on making that loan for you as the investor on the collateral, on the property, what type of revenue and income that it generates. So if you're an investor and you're watching this and you have questions, we got you covered. This is one of our strongest niches, whether it's a 1-unit, duplex, 3, 4-unit, we can handle it. Comment, ask questions, shoot me a DM. I'm here to help you build that portfolio. We're ready to go.